Have you ever imagined your phone turning into a full-fledged Windows PC? In today's video, I'm going to show you my Poco F1, which isn't running Android, but a full version of Windows 11 Pro. We'll dive into its performance and see if it's actually usable for daily tasks. But first, keep in mind that not all Android phones support native Windows 11. To check if your phone is compatible, head over to Renegade project website. Here, you will see a section, View Supported Devices. It has many devices listed. You can check your phone here. Also, if you are a Pocophone user like me, follow along the exact step I will demonstrate later. For other devices, you can adopt the method based on their guide. They provided a detailed guide on how to install Windows on your Android. Now, before we begin, here is what you will need. First, make sure your phone has an unlocked bootloader. Second, a custom recovery installed, and most importantly, a working brain. Don't skip any step, just follow along if you are a Poco F1 user. Now, what is Windows 11 ARM, and what's working on my Windows and what's not? First, let's talk about ARM. Windows 11 ARM is a version of the operating system designed specifically for power-efficient ARM-based processors like Qualcomm Snapdragon rather than traditional Intel/AMD x86/x64 chips. It offers superior battery life, instant-on capabilities, and advanced AI features, supporting native ARM apps and emulating traditional apps. It is similar to the regular Windows, but optimized for the ARM architecture, making it possible to run on the certain Android devices like my Poco F1. So here is what is working. Audio, battery status, Bluetooth, PATAs, Wi-Fi, everything is working smoothly. The only things not working are camera and fingerprint. Now, let's get to the main highlight, Visual Studio Code. For developers, this is nothing short of a dream. I opened VS Code and the load time is quite decent. The best part here is that you can integrate GitHub directly. Just log into your account and all your repositories become accessible right here. For web browsing, I checked YouTube in desktop mode and the videos play perfectly without any lag. Gaming is also possible on this setup. I tested a 2D platformer and managing the controls via touch was quite easy. Multitasking is another area where this setup shines. Overall, this Windows 11 setup on the Poco F1 feels incredibly solid. As a portable Windows environment, it's remarkably capable. Now, let's start the installation process. First, open your phone settings and go to the About Phone section. Now, you will see the MIUI version. Tap on it 7 times, and after the 7th tap, you will see a pop-up message saying you are now a developer. Go back and tap on additional settings. You will now see the newly unlocked developer options. Tap on it. Inside the developer options, check whether your bootloader is already unlocked. If it is not unlocked, this process will not work. I have created a separate video on how to unlock the bootloader on any phone, and the link is in the description. Now, scroll down and you will see the USB debugging option. Turn it on. The first step is complete. Now, you need to download 2 files from the description box. I have already got them. The first file is the ESD file, which is basically the Windows image file. The second one is the installer script. A big thanks to Kumar Jawai on GitHub for this amazing script. The best part is that the script is a one-click process. Once both files are downloaded, copy them to your SD card or pen drive, whichever you have. Make sure to place them inside a folder named WOA. This is important for the installer to work properly. Now, it is time to boot the device into recovery mode. Let me quickly do that. Alright, the first step here is to take a backup of a few important partitions. This is really crucial, so tap on Backup and select the partitions. You can also back up the entire system if you prefer, but the important ones are boot, data, modem, EFS, and persist. Make sure to save the backup somewhere safe, like your PC or a pen drive. Do not save it in the phone storage because we will be formatting it later. Once the backup is complete, after that, go to Home, then Advanced Options, and tap on Terminal. Now, we need to type a command to create a partition. In the terminal, enter the partition size for the Windows installation. Let us go with 60 gigabytes and hit Enter. If it asks you to run the command again, just go ahead and do it. You will see that the user data will be allocated 49 gigabytes. Just type Y and proceed. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. Once it is done, you will see the message, "Operation completed successfully," on your phone screen. Great, the process is complete. Now go back and tap on Install. At this point, you might not be able to access your device storage, which is exactly why we asked you to use a pen drive or SD card. Let me quickly connect mine and we will move forward. Alright, here is the OTG option. Tap on it. Inside, you will see the WOA folder that we created earlier. Here is the Poco F1 installer script. Just tap on it and swipe to flash. It is as simple as that. This process will take around 5 to 6 minutes to complete. Once it is done, you will see a flash successful message on the screen. So just be patient and let it finish. Alright, flashing is successful. Now simply tap on Reboot System to boot the phone into the Windows setup. Just a quick heads up, guys. The first boot might take a bit longer than usual. That is completely normal, so no need to worry. And yes, we have successfully booted into the Windows setup screen. You can use the touch screen to navigate and set everything up. The process is just like setting up Windows on a laptop, so let me quickly walk you through it. Finally, we have booted into the Windows environment, and it looks great. Everything is working properly. Do explore it yourself and get the best out of it. Also, guys, I would recommend trying this Windows installation only if you have a backup phone, as there is a small risk of damaging your device. And if you want a video on setting up dual boot with Windows and Android, just let me know in the comments. I will try to make it for you. And that is it. We have successfully installed Windows 11 on an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want me to cover dual booting or any other projects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.